Big up everybody we're checking. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Now, the supporters of the opposition are rubbishing statements made by the government that Isaac Buchanan should not be allowed to sit in parliament because of his past history. By saying Shine is now the leader of the opposition government in Belize and said to be the prime minister of Belize, but he was charged with a club shooting in New York and served this time. Now, me have hear it was said by the government and they will contain reasonation. Look and listen.
Don't you speak, I mean, you stand over there and tell us every week about integrity and transparency and how we should do this and who must step aside. And you know, call your leader aside, Marky British or Marky G, whichever one you call him, and say, look, you can't put convicted criminal in this country and another country, one of our best neighbors, to go put up as MP to make laws. Are we wrong with it? So all the Jamaicans must say this is unacceptable. So when I do that, Mr. President, I look at my leader. I look at Dr. the most honorable, Andrew Holness. Look at how he has led this country for the past 8 years. Look at what he's done in terms of looking at poverty, staring it in his face and said to him, Finance Minister, we can't keep borrowing. We must find a way to make sure that we... No, please, that's over, man. I was there. You know, for Dr. Phillips, let me tell you, I have already, and you know that, I stand up here and I give him credit. Because when he come back from Washington with a bit of medicine, let's say the cabinet table, long from Yasa to down, so Andrew Warren, you know, and you never listen. Him go collect it, and when poor Dr. Phillips come back, all the PNP people then run down to the bottom, him one up here, so him have to carry the bit of medicine by himself. And then we came in right afterwards, and boy, did we handle it. Did we ever handle it? Did we ever handle it?
Now tell me what you think. Do you believe that statements being made by the government or members of the government is right? Or do you believe that some members of the government see it clear that the opposition is going to win? Tell me if you believe that the opposition is going to win. And that all our members of the government is saying now is just to get in the good graces of the people. I mean, we hear the Prime Minister make a statement about road, and then we hear the Minister of Transport. I say, watching the road need to fix now. We hear the Prime Minister say, some of these MPs, you know what I mean, we don't know what they do with the money they get. We hear the Prime Minister say, the money that will be given now to MPs for constituencies have to use upon the constituency. And people have to see where the money used upon. We don't need to tell us someone do this and the cost of that is real. We need to see the beautification of these constituencies. And the leftover money will go back to the fund. You now go stay there. I want to get a fresh amount next year. And then the one from the previous year. You know what I mean? No, that now go on. That done with. Now the people are saying, them glad for you all of this. But they are saying, why now? Or whenever they hear to talk about this. Even a few months ago. Some people have said the government's making this statement has won 2 elections. Or we never hear about this. And even after the first one, people are saying this might just be statements to win over the people. So the people can say, what you know? The government is finally listening to what we are saying. And them are going to do what they're supposed to do. Of course, this is good news for people who are already in support of the government. But for people who are in support of the opposition, even when they make statements like this, when people are talking about Isaac Buchanan's past, they must say, leave Isaac Buchanan's past out of this. What that have to do with good road and infrastructure upon the Jamaican island? People are asking for Isaac Buchanan past make some place in the constituency where I'm going to run for now. Still not no road. They must say for Isaac Buchanan pass make Spanish Town Road on level. They must say, if a Isaac Buchanan pass, make hotel workers, I say, the prosperity being talked about in the tourism sector is not being seen by all Jamaicans. Is Isaac Buchanan pass do all that? The people them tired of the blame game. And the thing is, I don't feel like the Prime Minister and some members of the government they're on the same page, because the Prime Minister tell them say nah go do this. The Prime Minister say them go campaign for merit. Even though he always point out the 18 years that the government has been in power. But other than that, him say he go campaign for merit. All him go do a talk about what his administration has done. But with some other people in the party, me don't know. Every time them say something, it make the people must say, we want better government. I know that none of them aim, you know. Them aim for paint the government in a better light. But I guess that's the way them do it. And the fact say, some people feel frustrated. Plain and simple. We see where supporters of the government are called for them own MP for change. And you know the people must say while they must say them statement. And we don't know about that's something still, but this is what they must say. They must say them still plan for vote for the party. But they don't want the MP what them have. That's a serious situation, and the meaning say the party what them have for them is working. But them don't like the MP. That should say people who support the government feel like the government is not listening to them. And if the people who support the government feel like the government is not listening to them, imagine the people who not support the government are the people who are undecided, who are just regular people. Them vote based on what them hear or what them feel like say a certain party are going to do for the country. Them people are going to say the people them not listen to the people who support them. Imagine just everybody else. So that's something I feel like the administration need to listen to, take into consideration. When I feel like them follow the leadership of the Prime Minister. Sometimes it's almost like everybody do their own thing. I know you have a couple outspoken MPs in the government, but it come like everybody just do their own thing. And you can't have everybody do their own thing. As a party, everybody need to be on the same page. But tell me if you feel like say, yo, based on all I want to know, some members of the government feel like say the opposition are going to win the general election whenever the general election is called. And tell me if you agree with that. Tell me if you're in support of the government or if you're in support of the opposition. And within that same comment, tell me if you feel like or who you feel like are going to win the general election. Based on what say I want. Because these statements always say certain MPs I make. It make everybody else look upon the party. And I say, yo, why them say that? They might think about them I say. Or they must say some things. Because we MPs say, them just that talk already. We MPs say, yo, you know what I mean? Funding and things about funding. And then them say, them just did a talk because they don't have the powers to do that. But how much time now them talk about things that they don't really have the powers to do? That's something else to think about. But talk to me in the comment section and tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel and just a pass through, well, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. And tell a friend to tell a friend to tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and also join the discussion. Don't tell the reason again. My sentiments for you and yours are for to live, love, and prosper. And for to stay tuned.